Morning, welcome back to the Garden Novice on this Sunday morning. A couple of hours round on the allotment. Today I'm going to prick out some calabrese and some cauliflower which belong to Ian and Emma from our allotment journey. They're getting a bit leggy, so I thought I'd prick them out for them. And I'm going to have a go at digging a tree stump out at the top of my garden. Here's the calabrese and cauliflowers pricked out. They should do alright on there. So I'll keep an eye on those for them. As part of my progress with clearing the bottom end of my allotment, I've moved about 50 paving slabs over here and cleared a bit more of this area, and I'm in the middle of digging a tree out that I cut down, tried to burn it, and it just wouldn't burn. So I've dug a trench all the way around it. The soil is so dry, so I can see how much moisture that these trees are taking out of the soil. So I think I'm just about there now, so a little bit more digging underneath that stump, and I think I should better lift it out. So I'll bring you back once I've loosened it up and lifted it out. Well, that's it. Loosened up, dug out, lifted out. And there's a fending stump. The size of it, bloody heavy and all. So I'll get that hole filled in with all that soil again and get this cleaned up a bit more, level it off, move that compost bin there and that box. I think that box is going to go to the rubbish tip, and get this area cleaned up, and hopefully I should get maybe 4, maybe 6 raised beds in here. Now it'll match this full side of my allotment with raised beds all the way down. Well, that's it, cleared away of rubbish and pipes and debris. A tree stump, I'll have to get rid of that somehow. It's quite a big area, that, guys. So get a minimum of 4 raised beds in there, possibly 6. We'll see. Yeah, it's quite a big area. This heap of rubbish, bricks, glass, metal, I'll get this cleared away. I'll sieve it, bag the rubbish, take it down the rubbish tip. That'll create another couple of foot of garden space there. Tidy it up. So yes, it's progressing really well. I'm pleased with that. Right, I think that's me done for the day. I've accomplished what I wanted to do, which was the pricking out of the calabrese and cauliflower, and also dug out that stump, which made a much better job, as you can see behind me. Nice big space there. Work in progress for the winter. Until next time, see you later.